What's up everyone? Okay, meron akong binili sa Lazada. And right now, what we are going to do is we are going to check the product that I bought. And let's try to see the quality of it. So, ang binili ko po ay saddle. So, papalitan ko na yung saddle ng bike ko. And I find this very interesting because it has the same thing with the Specialized saddle. So, okay. Try natin i-check yung quality ng product and at the same time, maggagawa ako ng review. I'm gonna do a test ride. So, maybe a long ride. Take me around 40-50 kilometers. And let's try to figure out if the saddle will give you comfort when riding, especially in long distance, and how does it feel, the quality. It says right here that the skin is made of imported microfiber leather, and the bottom shell is polished to ensure the durability of the seat cushion and the comfort of riding. At the same time, it's a hollow design using plastic integrated molding pressure enhance the appearance of the seat cushion, and there will be no skin peeling. The ergonomic design of the cushion, hollow and breathable. The wide tail ensures comfort and does not affect and force, which is very important for the rider to reduce heat and sweat during long distance riding. The cushion has passed the long bearing test. The maximum load is 110 kilograms. So kaya niya up to 110 kilogram. Specification, it has a size of 24.3 by 14.5 centimeter. And the weight is 280 grams. So I checked the weight a while ago, comparing it to my old saddle, and I find it like halos magkaparehas lang yung weight. So check natin yung product. I'm excited also to test this product during my future ride. Para makita natin. So, ito yung packaging niya. Okay. So, meron siyang sariling barcode. So, maganda. So far, kita ko. So, ito yung product, guys. Maganda yung pagkagawa niya. And this is what they say, the ergonomic design. So, this looks like the Specialized one. So yung weight niya, may bigat siya, pero I think I wouldn't feel that way. Pero when it comes to putting it in your bike, so that would add additional weight. Pero that's fine. What I'm interested about is the comfort of using this kind of saddle. So test natin to, tsaka gagawa tayo ng review. So for now, based on sa pagkagawa niya, malinis. So malinis yung pagkagawa niya. Yung side railings, hindi mo makikita yung wala siyang tahi or any stitches na nakapalibot dito sa ilalim. So ito na siya, guys. Alright. So hopefully, well, I bought this for around 700 plus, and hopefully it will serve me right. Okay? So, lalagay ko na siya ngayon sa aking bike. Tara!
You go and can't, without remorse, without heart. In your head, you're right, but in my head, you are the bad. I wanna show to the world that you're the bad one. You was being bad. That use all my love, use all my time, use all my heart. You begging me to come out with you. closer to the